Welcome to the channel, and today we got a brand new video where we're going to talk about Tesla's earnings. So Tesla just recently announced their Q1 of 2023 earnings. The revolutionary EV maker, led by one and the only Elon Musk, in the fourth quarter of 2022, Tesla reported record profits with a Q4 revenue of $24.32 billion and an adjusted EPS of 1.19. So that's about a 5% increase from last year around this time. This is a significant increase from the previous year and a year ago, showing that they are still growing and the success of the company, even when there's talks about recessions, layoffs, there's competition. There's so much competition in China that they're going to have to compete with all these other EV companies. And they're still doing this. They're still selling cars. And just keep in mind, not a lot of people are considered buying cars. So the fact that they're still selling cars is really good. He also stated that this could be the most valuable company eventually. And I believe it because they still have a lot of things that they're working on. And as of right now, a lot of their profits are from cars. But their cars have a lot of AI built in them. And right now the talks around the world is AI. In addition to the impressive financials, Tesla has also announced that the production of its highly anticipated Cybertrucks is on the track to begin later this year. However, despite the positive news, Tesla is not without its challenges. There's always going to be challenges, and that's the good thing. And I believe Elon Musk and all the employees want to solve these problems. The company faces pressure from higher interest rates, increased competition in the EV market, which we talked about earlier. In 2022, Tesla missed its annual growth target and saw a significant drop in its market valuation and stock price. But fear not, as Tesla is not one to back down from the challenge and the competition. The company has taken action to boost demand by reducing vehicle prices, in some cases by nearly 20%. As the CEO Elon Musk stated, my bias would be to say, let's grow as fast as we can without putting the company at risk. And that's a good way to word it. So he wants the company to grow and, minimize the risk. There's always risk involved when you're creating a company. For those of you that already have a company, you should know about this. For those of you who are considering or don't have one, there's a lot of risk with companies, especially with all the money printing we've been doing. And that's why you're seeing the layoffs. And if you haven't seen my video about the recession and all this other stuff, Jerome Powell, how the unemployment rates are not accurate because they're counting a lot of part-time employees. And there's not that many full-time employees, but it's funny. Anyways, let's get back to this video. Tesla also has an advantage of a solid financial foundation with cash reserves to navigate any economic turmoil. And some investors have even called for a sizable share repurchase. So while the future may be uncertain, one thing is for sure, under the leadership of Elon Musk and with his innovative technology and strong financials, and all the other companies that he's helped run and create, Tesla is a force to be reckoned with in the EV market. Stay tuned for more updates on the company's progress and plans for the future, as I have a lot of videos lined up when we're talking about Tesla and how amazing the company is and why I believe in the success of this company and why I believe it's going to be the most valuable company one day. I'll have a video about that very shortly. Tesla reported a $24.3 billion in revenue in Q4 of 2022, down $300 million from Wall Street's expectations. But it did beat earnings expectations with $1.19 per share. The company managed to increase its cash position by just over $1 billion during the quarter, and it now sits at an impressive 22 billion piles of cash, which now that can be used for a lot of different things for the company. So here's why I believe Tesla is going to be the most valuable company eventually. And I know a lot of you guys are going to say, it's only a car company. But if that's the only way you look at it, then you're right as of right now. But later in the future, they're working on a whole bunch of different projects that you don't see behind the scenes. For example, Tesla's energy storage business, which includes products like the Powerwalls and Megapacks, had a record year in 2022, with 2.4 gigawatts an hour of energy storage deployed in Q4 alone, a 152% increase from the previous year. The company's total deployment for the year was 6.5 gigawatts an hour, a 64% increase from the previous year. Tesla stated that the demand of their storage products exceed their ability to supply, and they're ramping up production at their dedicated 40 gigawatts an hour Megapack factory in California to address the growing demand. Additionally, it is expected to use the new factory to further this acceleration in this growth of the energy storage deployments. This factory started its ramping in the middle of the quarter, so the impact will be felt more in 2023 than in that last quarter. The companies also announced that 2023 will be a huge year. The company also announced that 2023 will be a huge year for its energy storage business, as it expected to deploy between 15 to 20 gigawatts an hour this year, and the Powerwall production could this year. Another major reason why I believe Tesla will be the most valuable company is because Tesla Optimus. The robot is 5 feet, 8 inches tall, weighs 125 pounds, and is able to walk, carry packages, water plants, and move objects. Now, the company hopes to mass produce these robots and sell it under $20,000. The robot's design is inspired by human beings and draws on Tesla's cars manufacturing expertise. However, the robot is still in development and requires more work to be redefined and refined, because I'm pretty sure Elon Musk has a big plan in making sure these robots are capable of doing what they need to be doing. And also bugs, issues in the programming, and making sure, these robots are waterproof, to be on the funny side. Now, let's say you package the robot with AI learning, where the robot learns and is programmed to do something particular at a certain time that you want it to do. For example, you want it to clean dishes in the morning, at night, and you can program it to do so. Clean the leaves in the front of your house, in the back of your yard, make food. Now, Tesla can charge $6,000 to $7,000 additional in the price of the robot, or make it a monthly subscription if they wanted to. But I believe Tesla Optimus is going to be a game changer for Tesla as a company. It's going to create a moat for the company with its advanced AI, robot, machine learning capabilities. The Tesla Optimus can gather and analyze vast amount of data around the house and be able to do a lot of things and save people some time for cooking, cleaning, regular things that people need to do on a daily basis. And it can also provide valuable insight and predictions that can give the company a competitive edge in the market. So in a meeting recently also, Elon Musk is investing heavily in AI because he believes its potential to greatly benefit humanity. He stated that he believes AI has the potential to help solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty, that it could also greatly enhance human productivity, and capabilities. Additionally, he sees AI as a key area of technological advancements that could help establish a future of abundance and civilization transformations. Musk also sees AI as a key driver of innovation and growth for companies like Tesla and believes that AI has the potential to be a major source of revenue for the company in the future and now. In this video, we discussed Tesla's recent earnings and their future plans. We also shared why I believe the company is set to become the most valuable company in the world in the coming years. Additionally, we all shared some secret plans for Tesla that you may not know about or you're not aware of. But please keep in mind that this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Don't forget to like, subscribe,